All right, so let's now start coding our constructor. So inside the constructor, the first thing that I'm going to code is my total supply. So I will keep my total supply as 1000. I'll explain this in detail later. For now, just code with me. The founder, so I will create a variable called founder, and this variable will essentially take the value from whoever is deploying the contract, and that will be myself. So I will say message.sender, and this is the person who's deploying the contract, which will be me, and my address will essentially go inside this variable founder, which will be a variable of type address. And I will put my comments here. The person deploying the contract. The next variable that I would update, the next mapping that I would update is balances. So inside the constructor, I would update the balance of the founder, which is myself, with the total supply. So the moment this contract is deployed, this constructor will get fired, and I'm presuming you understand what constructors are. Again, I'll be covering these more in the masterclass and going line by line on each code, going from basic to advanced. But for those who are following my videos and going along at an intermediate level, a constructor gets executed the moment I deploy my smart contract, and these variables would be updated with the respective values. Now, I do see some error, and I'm just going to quickly look at this one. And I do realize that I have typed this incorrectly, so I'll just copy the mapping name from here, and I'll just push it back over here. And now everything should be sorted. So this is my constructor, and a quick recap. Total supply 1000. We'll discuss this later in detail. For now, just leave it as is. Founder, myself, message.sender, the person who's deploying the contract, and the balances of the founder the moment the contract is deployed on the blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain. The total supply value will go inside the balances as myself as the founder. So this mapping that we created for balances, which basically has the balances of each and every address inside my smart contract, will transfer all the whole balance of 1000 tokens into my account. So that should be for the constructor, and I hope you're following the series nicely. And let's go ahead and start coding our next function, which is the balance of function. So with all of that and more in the next video.